Okay, I have a 2008 Toyota Matrix, and I was getting a rattling in the trunk area. So while my son was driving, I kind of squeezed in the back here, and I determined the noise was coming from the tailgate. So I actually thought the plastic cover was rubbing over here. So I put some 3M tape. I forgot the name of it. I'll put a link if anyone's interested. Over here to stop it rubbing, because when I pressed on it, I could hear squeaking. But that wasn't it. So when I took off the panel and moved things around, shook it, I realized that this tab, this is actually the wiper control. Let's see, wiper control. So this goes on this bracket on the inside, like this way. All right, and it looked like it got broken. So if you hear a rattle, it could very well be this is broken. So I'm just going to take some zip ties and just see if I could tie it up. So this is what I did. So I put a zip tie around this part here, all the way around, and I put one this direction. So I'm just going to snip this, and it's not going to go anywhere. All right, and I also, when I was taking the cover off, I broke some of these clips. So I bought some. I have a collection of clips from Harbor Freight. I'm going to see which one is going to work for me, and just replace those clips. So that way the plastic shield doesn't vibrate as well. Any questions, let me know. Thanks.